Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to share Rednote account QR code. So if you want to share your Rednote account QR code, either on Android or iPhone, then here's a video for you. In this video, I'll basically walk you through the steps you need to take to share your Rednote account QR code. So if at the end of this, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and do subscribe to the YouTube channel, as this really helps us to grow. Now, to share your Rednote QR code or share your Rednote account as QR code, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Rednote app. Then, while on the Rednote page, make sure you sign into your Rednote account. So, it is important to sign into your Rednote account. And once you signed into Rednote account, go ahead and click on the main button at the bottom right. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to your Rednote profile page. On your profile page, locate and click on the pointed arrow at the top right. Then you should see share to. Now, to get your Rednote account as a QR code, click on my QR code. Then hang on. Then you should see your Rednote account QR code here. Then go ahead and click on save to save this to your phone. Then you should see the Rednote QR code saved to your phone. Then once you have the Rednote QR code saved, you can now go ahead, change it to friends and family, and then they will be able to scan this and then join you on Rednote. So that is basically how to get Rednote account QR code. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.